In this video, I'm going to show you how to change phone number in XM account. Now over here, when you are on your dashboard, if you click on the top right and click on your profile icon and then the settings and then personal info and personal details, down here at the bottom you can see the phone number. I haven't done my KYC yet, so it's not in here, but for you, if it's in here, you actually aren't able to manage that and actually change it, okay? So if you actually want to change it, the only thing you can do is actually contact their customer support. And the way you can do this is by going to xm.com, scrolling down to the very bottom, and here it says contact us. Click on that. And then in here, you can see you can chat via the live chat. You can give them a call, of course, whenever you need them, it says over here. And these are the available hours on weekdays. You can even send them an email by clicking this button over here. Or, of course, if you can find the answer, you can find it in the help center. But usually, you'll be able to, of course, use one of these to actually get direct support for your case of changing the phone number. So reach out, let them know you would like to change your phone number for whatever reason that may be, and then they will tell you how you can do that and they will help you out and you'll be able to change your phone number. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.